Yo, it's your boy, Moto Monkey. All right. Okay, so this shit, the fuck has happened to it? Your mom happened to it. See, when I pegged her, I mean,
Restart.
no, what's good? It's your boy, Moto Monkey. Okay, oh, fuck. Yep. The bike does not sound good because I put the wrong carburetor on it. Yeah, terrible intro. Oh my god. Oh.
Black BMW going fast as fuck, like 50 miles per hour.
Fuck it, let's catch it.
Nah, I swear he almost hit mine. I had to slow down.
Down.
Next time riding, be careful. There's a BMW going like 60 or 70.
Wait, that?
No, a BMW.
I know I'm saying like right there.
I want to tell my cousin to bring his four-wheeler here back. That shit is so fucking loud. It shoots fire.
Right this, be careful.
It brings the fire really far. You got that Raptor.
Where'd you see it?
800cc Raptor.
Damn.
Damn, bro. It's just sexy as fuck. It's for racing for sure.
Oh, that's even worse.
Same bitch who hit me from behind when she was on her phone. It's always some dumb bitch on their phone. Shit. Dude, my shit just completely turned off. Dude, my shit keeps turning off. Oh shit. Dog, you sure it was a BMW? Fuck, my throttle is loose again, damn it. I mean, it's still pretty fast, but it's not the best. Oh, yeah. You sure it's a fucking Infinity or was it a black BMW?
Hey, follow me, boy.
Either black BMW or it's not that one though. I swear to God.
What the fuck? Hey, be careful, dude.
War.
Alright, bro, don't bring up nothing from fucking history class, okay? This ain't no fucking Valor. Garbage ass school.
You're just mad my dick is small.
Okay, bro. Okay.
I got a pedo mustache.
It's okay, I do too. Okay, so you see that little gray piece of shit? This silver piece of... This ain't even the right carburetor. You wanna know where the fuck that shit came off from?
It came off from my bike?
It came off from that shit. That takes a 19 millimeter.
1999.
19 millimeter defeater. This thing takes a 26 mil. Look at the, what the fuck is this shit?
It's a penis.
What, like, what, look at this shit, bro. Like, what the fuck? Like, ugh.
Why is it? Hold up. Nah, man, this ain't it, chief.